Hello everybody and welcome to the Crown Lounge. On today's episode, we're gonna go with it's not my team, but a NFL team themed cocktail, right? I stumbled across this. It is called the Brown and Orange. It is based off the Cleveland Browns, right? This is a fairly newer cocktail. And I think it's fitting with the draft just coming on, and this is going to be the new Shador era, maybe, maybe not, who knows? They had a whole lot of quarterback situation going on there. But anywho, this is a very rye-forward cocktail, right? So we're going to start off with 2.5 ounces of a rye. Going with some Sir Davis. It's an excellent rye. Ooh, went a little too quick there. Too little happy. Here we go. 2.5 ounces of rye. A third of an ounce of our Amaro Nonino. I can't say that. Amaro Nonino. Anywho, a third of an ounce. That's it. Just a little sweetness from it. We're going to go with 1 dash of our Angostura bitters, just 1 dash. And 1 dash of an orange bitter. One dash. Gonna give it a good stir. Add a little ice to cool it off. Get it nice and chilled. We're gonna pour it in a rocks glass over ice also. We're gonna get it nice and chilled. Smell is wonderful. All right. The Cleveland Browns inspired brown and tan cocktail. Cheers. Unlike the team, this is actually pretty good. It's pretty strong. This is a strong cocktail. I like it. I like it a lot. Like I said, this has it's just a little sweetness to it, not a lot. But anywho, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Until next time, cheers.